Hey everyone, it's the time of year again whenever we share what we purchased, what my husband and I purchased for our kids for their Christmas box. So some people are familiar with this. It's a box that you give your kids. Some people save it till Christmas Eve. You put a pair of Christmas pajamas for each of the kids in there. You put a snack, a special movie, and maybe some hot cocoa in there as well. So what my husband and I found out after a couple years of doing it, we did not like doing it on Christmas Eve anymore, because then they were only able to wear the jammies for like one night, and then the next morning, you know, it was Christmas, then about a week later they were ready for them to be packed down. Whereas I kind of want Christmas jammies they can wear all Christmas long. And I know they could wear the ones from the year before, but also kids grow really fast, so sometimes they actually can't. So what we found is that our kids love doing it, and what we started doing is the morning after Thanksgiving, they will wake up and the box is where the tree goes. And it's already wrapped, it's Christmas wrapping paper and all that. And then they can open that, and then they get to decorate for Christmas in the brand new Christmas jammies. So that's why we call it the Christmas box now instead of the Christmas Eve box. We actually give ours to our kids the day after Thanksgiving instead. So let me go ahead and show you what we're putting in our kids' boxes. Now I have 1 tween and 3 teenagers. So it may be a little variation of what you may want to do. Also, we are not doing hot chocolate in our box this year because we have started buying hot chocolate in bulk from Sam's Club. So we haven't really found the need to have like the individual packets in here. And they actually prefer just being able to have the K-Pods anyway. So we quit doing the we have stopped doing the hot chocolate. But I will show you something really fun that we did find for this year's box. So for starters with, we went ahead and went online. Amazon has gowns for girls that fit them just right. We have not been able to find any at Walmart, any of the local stores of like just gowns that like go to their knees that fit like a gown does, that aren't like super low cut or anything like that. Just like basically like a t-shirt gown, but a little bit longer than a t-shirt. But Amazon does. So I'll link them in the affiliate below of all the different ones that we purchased. But these are basically for the 3 teenagers. One of them already has this print. But here was the hard part. When we went to order them, it was a little bit earlier in the season. And the one that has this print in the short sleeve from a couple years ago, this is actually not going to fit her. It's a size too small. What she ended up with was actually this one. This super fun one right here. And I thought this was just super cute. So it's actually a little swap, because the one that's getting this one loves this, and then the one that's getting this one loves this. But we thought it'd be kind of like a fun swap for them to do something a little bit different. And they're both not going to care. They're just going to be, they both love like comfy jammies, so they're going to be super excited about it, I think. This is actually for the one I still call my middle child, even though we adopted an older child. I still call her my middle child. I'm pretty sure she's going to love this. Now, normally, like, the 2 that bought these would not like white, but I'm hoping that my middle one, and I'm trying not to, like, say a lot of detail because my kids are in the other room watching a Christmas movie to try to keep them entertained so I can get this filmed. And again, I'm filming this the day that we're leaving to go to our family's house for Thanksgiving, so also, like, I'm just trying to hurry and get it all done and get this wrapped up so that when we get back, they can still open it the day after. But I'm pretty sure she will do fine with this. I thought at first, because, like, the one right here, that all of these were upside down, but actually if you keep looking, they're not. It's just they alternate them as they go. But I thought this one was really, really cute. So my tween, these are too big for her. So what I found was she still fits the Wonder Nation size. So we found this for her. Now it's not a gown, it's a set, but she really likes sets too with like the fuzzy pants and stuff. So this one has a fuzzy pair of pants. It has a long sleeve shirt, and it has this, it says Barely Awake on it. And it has kind of like the Rocky Mountain feel to it to us. And I bought it like the biggest size they had so that she could hopefully wear it again next year. And this is also one that I think she could actually wear all winter long, because I actually couldn't find any like Christmas jammies in the Walmart Wonder Nation brand for kids this year. So I'm really hoping that she's fine with that as an alternative. Like, she had one last year. We bought her one last year. They haven't had them this year. So this is what we bought her instead. This is the fun one from Sam's Club. It comes with 3 Skinny Pop microwave bags, 1 box of Milk Duds, 1 pack of Twizzlers, 1 box of Whoppers, and 1 says 1 Kisses Peg bag. It's one of these bags. So what I love is it's called the Hershey's Movie Night Favorites Kit. And I actually haven't even opened this yet. It's taped shut. Okay. But when we saw it, like, again, the idea is they have Christmas jammies. We decorate the tree. It usually takes us all day to get all the decor up, but then at night they can sit down and watch their first Christmas movie together. So having like Christmas movie snacks, and we also still do, even when we travel to families' houses, we usually still do some kind of like mini Thanksgiving meal style at our house so that we can have just like the leftovers all weekend. So like this is kind of like a break from like all the Thanksgiving food, and it's also something special to sit down and watch the first Christmas movie with. But we actually didn't buy a Christmas movie this year. We bought this, and this is a 3 set, and it's all 3 of the most recent releases. Now I know there's older versions, but this one's the Disney one, and this is Disney, and then this one is Fox. Yeah, Fox. So no, Disney now has the rights to that one, but you can actually get it as a 3 set. Again, this was on Amazon. I'll link it, and supposedly in here somewhere as well, there's supposed to be like a movie poster that came with it, but they have been wanting these on DVD for a while. The reason why we switched back to buying DVDs now is when we bought our new van over the summer. We have a DVD player in our van now, and they wanted stuff that they could take on the go. So this is so they can watch them now on the go, and it also plays on our Blu-ray player, so that works out. But yeah, so this is what we bought for 3 teens, 1 tween for their Christmas box for 2022.